So as you can see, yung hand position natin would be this one for the horizontal mouse, wherein your palm rests into the mouse, and then ang gumagalaw lang sa'yo is yung joint, as you can see. But for here, we have the whole hands resting upon the palm rest. And then, yung position niya is on natural handshake position. So, para kang nakikipagkamay. So, we have it like this. Hey guys, John here, and you're watching Code at Kwento. And today, we are here at Code Co-working Space. So if you watch my previous video, this is the space that we have started as a co-working space. So yeah, today will be a different video because we will be unboxing. This is actually an unboxing and first impression of our first vertical mouse. Upon observing the people who are co-working with us, sometimes they have this twisting of wrists na ginagawa from time to time, and that may be caused of using horizontal mouse, diba? Full day work. So we have here, we ordered vertical mouse. This is here a Delux Seeker M618XSD. So that's a mouthful. But what this is a vertical mouse na ang handle niya is imbes na horizontal, syempre vertical. So I'm being redundant here. So let's go with the unboxing. So if we open up the box, it should go easy as this. And then inside the box, we have this another box that contains, check natin, a bag. It's eco bag at least. The cable, I think it's USB-C cable here. And then we have the cover, another side cover, and the manual, right? And then, aside from that, tabi muna natin tong mga to. We'll pull out the mouse. Tada! So, meron pa siyang cover here. Plastic cover. So, this is the mouse. Right. So, if you look at it, right, let me box. The mouse is pretty big because it has this removable palm rest. Diba? So they're generous to be adding the palm rest that is connected magnetically for the mouse. So as I have mentioned, this is unboxing and first impression. Let's try to connect it to the computer and see how it performs. So then again, this is the mouse. We already have connected it with the computer. So let's talk first about connectivity. So ang connections niya, if you can see at the bottom, meron siyang lalagyan ng dongle dito, yung mismong USB receiver niya. And then it can be connected three-way. We have here 2.4G, which is yung dongle nga. We have Bluetooth 1, which is the Bluetooth 5.0 or 4.0. And then we have the Bluetooth 2. So it can be connected with up to 3 devices by just a click of the button. So makikita nyo, iilaw yung Bluetooth 1 if it is Bluetooth 1, ilaw yung Bluetooth 2, and then press it again to go back to 2.4 gigahertz. There we go. So that's for the connectivity. So again, I mentioned earlier na meron siyang RGB light. So yung RGB light niya is may sensor dito that it will automatically turns off once your hand is on the mouse. And then it has 6 programmable buttons. So typical na right and left click, and then the scroll wheel here, and then At the other side, we have the forward and the backward, and also a scroll wheel. This one is for horizontal scrolling, which means kung meron kang Excel file or you're scrubbing within editing videos na mahaba yung timeline mo, this could be really helpful. That's why this is a mouse actually for work talaga siya. Hindi siya gaming mouse, so don't really expect for this. This is for long hours of work. So we also have here at the top yung OLED screen niya. I don't know if it is, kung nakikita siya screen, but we will try to zoom in. So yung OLED screen niya, it says all the info that you need to learn about the mouse, if it is connected, what mode it is connected to, gaano kabilis yung DPI, because we have the DPI button here. So the DPI button, or the DPI, the dot per inch of this mouse, can go up to 4,000 DPI. So also have this removable palm rest if hindi mo trip na mag-rest. So, but let's leave it there. Kasi mas madali siyang i-glide pag may palm rest. Hindi kumikis-kis yung palm mo dun dito sa mismong mousepad or sa surface. So, this is great because ang galaw ng hands mo is buo. So, medyo bawas strain dito sa joint. Let's compare it with the regular mouse. We have here the Logitech mouse. So, as you can see, yung hand position natin would be this one for the horizontal mouse, wherein your palm rests into the mouse, and then ang gumagalaw lang sa is yung joint, as you can see. But for here, we have the whole hands resting upon the palm rest, and then yung position niya is on natural handshake position. So para kang nakikipagkamay. So we have it like this. So ergonomically, mararamdaman mo yung flow ng blood mo na medyo nare-release yung tension mo dito, which is good, especially if you are going to work 8 hours on the front of the computer and using your mouse, diba? Medyo nakaka-less strain yun. Or if you are already experiencing some injuries like carpal tunnel syndrome, makaka-relieve to talaga dun sa pain na mararamdaman mo sa joint mo. So, also, I forgot, this one is removable. Wait lang, kunin natin yung kasamang. This is yung cover kung ayaw nyo makakita ng RGB. Right? If tingin nyo mas classy yung walang holes. Kasi ito vented siya just to make the lights see-through. Pero kung ayaw nyo ng lights, if you're not an RGB fan, then they are good enough to give you another option for the look. So, ayan, medyo clean and professional. Thanks for getting into this part of the video. This is just the unboxing and first impression of this Seeker Delux, Seeker M618XSD. And yeah, meron pa kami i-review another mouse, but that would be for another video. But hope you like this video. Hit like and always hit the notification bell icon so you will be notified of the new videos that we'll be releasing soon. But for now, that's that for this video. I hope you like it. Add your comments in the comment section below if you would prepare this mouse over to the regular mouse. So yeah, thanks and God bless.